Eternal rest grant to them, O Lord, and let perpetual light shine upon them, forevermore with thy saints, because thou art gracious. May the prayer of thy suppliant people, we beseech thee, O Lord, benefit the souls of thy departed servants and handmaids, and thou mayest both deliver them from all their sins, and make them to be partakers of thy redemption. Amen. Eternal rest grant to them, O Lord, and let perpetual light shine on them.
Amen.
May their souls and the souls of all the faithful departed through the mercy of God rest in peace.
Amen.